Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Prestige Nautilus by Prestige Group located at Annie Besant Road, Shivaji Nagar, Worli, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right opposite to the actual land parcel, where you can see the actual land parcel and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.75 acres that has a standalone tower of basement, ground, plus 9 podium plus 50 residential floors, having premium 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to Worli Sea Face Worli, from where Bandra Worli Sea Link is at a distance of 3 minutes, Worli Naka is at a distance of 3 minutes, Worli Aqua Metro is at a distance of 1 minute, you have Geo World Drive at a distance of 10 to 12 minutes, and you have Mumbai International Airport at a distance of 25 minutes from the project. This project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Let's now talk about the configurations and carpet areas. As said, this project has 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences with 4 BHK in the carpet area of 3500 square feet and 5 BHK in the carpet area of 7200 square feet. Let's now have a look at the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the agreement value for 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Prestige Nautilus by Prestige Group located in Annie Besant Road, Shivaji Nagar, Worli, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.